In front of me is Realme C61 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Users and Accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google. Tap on Continue. Select Google Password Manager and tap on Add Password. Now it's time to input all of those informations. At the top, select any website or tap on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!